Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. We'll delve into their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for quick ice production for parties or a self-cleaning machine for convenience, we've got you covered. Let's find out which ice maker is the better choice for your home. When it comes to ice production, the COWSAR Ice Maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of bullet-shaped ice in a 24-hour period. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 33 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily. This difference in production capacity can be significant for larger gatherings or parties where ice is in high demand. The type of ice produced is another crucial factor. The COWSAR Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly, but may not be as enjoyable for chewing. On the other hand, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is often preferred for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold without diluting them too quickly. This can make a significant difference in your overall drinking experience. Price is always a consideration when making a purchase. The COWSAR Ice Maker is priced at $89, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $209. While the ecozy offers more features and a higher ice production capacity, the COWSAR provides excellent value for those who need a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and ecozy ice makers have their unique advantages. The COWSAR is a budget-friendly choice that offers quick ice production, while the ecozy provides a higher capacity and chewable nugget ice for those who prioritize ice texture. Consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.